Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Cooking with Anadi. Today we are making some delicious burgers. These are going to be some grilled chicken burgers. So let's get started right now. So first let's get started and make the marinade. It's a really simple one and it should be ready in less than 5 minutes. So squeeze in your lemon juice. One big clove of garlic, and then we're gonna add in about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and then about a teaspoon of Italian herbs and some salt, nice helping of pepper. I like my spice, so I'm gonna add in a big tablespoon of crushed chili flakes, and then finally a drop or two of vinegar. I'd say it's about a half teaspoon. I find that the vinegar really adds a nice punch to the chicken, and it's amazing what a bit of vinegar does to the flavors. Give this a nice mix. So I put my chicken breast in a Ziploc. You can, if you want, you can put this between two pieces of plastic wrap on a cutting board, and what we want to do is to tenderize it or flatten the chicken to about a thickness of 1/2 inch. So I'm going to use a rolling pin, that's the best tool I have, and start to tenderize it. So there you have it. So this is just one chicken breast, and this should be good for 2 burgers. So as you can see, it's nice and thin. Now not only is the meat going to be super delicious and tender, it's also gonna cook twice as fast. So since this is good for 2 burgers, I'm gonna make a nice cut so that each burger gets a delicious large piece of grilled chicken. So there you have it. So add it to your marinade and give it a nice toss. It's all covered. Ooh yeah. This smells amazing. That's gonna do wonders to your chicken. This is also my go-to recipe whenever I make grilled chicken. To have with pasta, in sandwiches. This is an amazing marinade. So let this marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour for maximum flavor. So I'll be grilling my chicken. If you have an outdoor grill, go ahead and heat that. I'll be using a grill pan. So preheat your pan on medium heat. Just season the pan. This just helps make sure that everything stays nice and smooth. Nothing sticks. Just brush this around the pan. And now, add in your chicken away from you. You always want to hear that sizzle. So after about 4 minutes, flip it and set up some nice grill marks. Now cook this until the chicken is completely cooked. Now for the buns, I've just sliced them in half. I'm going to put that under the broiler until it's toasted. So the buns are really nicely toasted. I kind of love toasting them in the broiler. Now just add in your favorite toppings. I personally like Frank's buffalo sauce. Just put that on. You can see I'm not afraid of some spice. For those of you who've seen my videos, you know how much I like spicy foods. Although some might argue that my tolerance has decreased. But I don't know these people. So I'm adding my piece of chicken right here. Looks absolutely beautiful. And then my beautiful lettuce. A delicious beefsteak tomato. And a few naughty pickles dotted around. Oh yeah. Now don't tell me this does not look like heaven. I can't wait to dig into this. You make it at home, you're gonna love it. So there you have it, guys. You have an amazing recipe for grilled chicken. And we had that in a burger, which looks amazing right now. I'm using homemade buns and it is to die for. I once bought buns from my local grocery store, which looks beautiful just like these. But it only looked good. The taste was horrible. It was like wallpaper. This looks good and it tastes good. It's from this amazing book, which I use for baking. Let me know if you want to know what this book is, and I'll be happy to share that with you. It's just simple, homemade, fresh ingredients for this amazing burger. I'm gonna have it with some homemade fries. You can see the recipe for the fries I'm gonna be having this burger with in the description box below. I hope you guys like this video. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter to see what I'm doing right now, and subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss out on any new awesome content. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.